Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be a great upgrade. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus exterior is expected to stay exactly the same as on their predecessors, perhaps spruced up with a new color or two. The Galaxy S23 Ultra design will only stay largely the same, as it will undergo subtle changes necessitated by bigger under-the-hood improvements. One such change is the different curvature radius of the side frame, according to Ice Universe, which is shaping up to be changed on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, potentially freeing up a bit more space on the inside of the phone. This exact same difference in side curvature has been depicted in a 3D render format. Apart from the boxier design when looked at from the sides, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is not expected to sport any other exterior alterations. Even the rumored 200MP main sensor, up from 108MP, won't change the raindrop camera set design on the back, for instance. We'd still have 3 lens rings protruding from the back independently, rather than being a part of an elevated camera island plateau as on most every other major phone out there. The main camera upgrade is not expected to carry over to the zoom cameras, as they are still expected to remain a 10MP one with 10x periscope magnification and another 10MP sensor under the 3x telephoto camera lens. Apart from the new main camera sensor, we are also expecting a faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, new 12th Gen OLED display panel technology that made a cameo on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and can also be previewed as soon as the iPhone 14 Pro Max hits the tape, as well as new memory specs. It seems likely that the Galaxy S23 line is going to look very similar to the S22. This is to be expected, as most smartphone manufacturers tend to make incremental changes with each year's design. In that regard, the Galaxy S23 likely has a slight change in its curvature. Instead of having the more rounded edges seen in the S22, the S23 is going to be adopting a squarer look that reduces the curvature of the glass. At least, while not a huge change in design, it's one that may impact how the S23 feels to hold, as its harsher edges may give users a better grip on their devices. The reason for the change in the S23's edges appears to be the result of a new metal frame used internally. It seems to be a little bit wider on the edges, necessitating a sharper curve than we've seen before in Galaxy devices. Yeah, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.